Do you know why dogs bark so much at night? At night, the world becomes quieter, and dogs can hear sounds from much farther away. They notice things we often can't. But the truth is, they're not just barking for no reason. They are protecting their home, their territory, and the people they love. While you sleep peacefully, your dog stays alert, guarding your world. Did you know this? And if you love dogs, please subscribe to the channel for the next video.